Are you struggling with duplicate tickets cluttering your support queue? Do you find it time-consuming to manually merge related tickets and keep track of all customer interactions? Knots.io's Zendesk Merge Tickets app is here to solve those problems. It automatically scans and merges related tickets, saving you time and keeping your workflow efficient. With a simple interface, it consolidates tickets, adds relevant comments, and does the work for you, reducing backlog and boosting support efficiency. Say goodbye to duplicates and hello to smoother, faster support. To install Knots.io's Merge Tickets app, follow the link below and click the Install button. Then, select the Zendesk instance where you want to install the application. You will be redirected to your Zendesk admin area, so make sure you have admin rights. By default, the app will be named Merge Tickets, but you can rename it as you wish. You can also choose to enable role or group restrictions. After making your selections, click Install again to complete the installation. To access the app, go to your agent workspace by clicking the 4-square icon in the top right corner and selecting Support. The Merge Tickets icon will appear to the left of the Settings icon. If you have many applications installed, it may be hidden under the 3 dots in the lower left corner. Just click the 3 dots to continue. Finally, in the Settings page, navigate to Login, where you can either create a new account or, if you're already a Knots customer, select Login. Inside the app, you can create a trigger by clicking the New Trigger button. You can name the trigger you'll be creating for easier identification. You can also add a tag for tickets that should be excluded from the merge. This is completely optional, so if there aren't any exceptions, just leave the Choose a tag that excludes the ticket from merge if it has this tag text field blank. The comment added to the original and merged tickets can also be customized. In the Matching Criteria section, you can choose which fields are used to determine if a ticket is a duplicate. You have to choose at least one field, so by default, Requester field is selected. You can change this or add other fields like Subject. You can also choose your custom fields here. Then, a drop-down of your ticket statuses is next. You should choose the ticket status that's higher than the ones you're merging. For example, if the tickets you're merging are open or pending, pick a status like Solved. Just think of it like this. The ticket you choose will absorb the others, so its status needs to be ahead of where the others are in the workflow. By default, the merge comments are added as an internal note. If you disable the Make Copied Comments Private setting, when tickets are merged, a public comment is added, and the requester may receive an email that their ticket was updated. Lastly, you can choose if the new or the triggering ticket is going to be the destination of the merge. If you want the older ticket to be the merge survivor, you should leave this off. When it's turned on, the new ticket will be the survivor of the merge. When you're happy with your settings, click on the Save Configuration button to save all of your changes. You can also customize the app further by going to the Zendesk Trigger Conditions page. Here, you can add more conditions when tickets should be merged. When you're happy with your setup, activate the app and click on the Update Configuration button at the bottom of the Merge Tickets app. We will now see how our setup works. I sent a couple of emails to our support mailbox. The Merge Tickets app is running in the background and eventually adds the Merge Started tag. When the merge is complete, the tag Merged was added. Then, the internal comments about the merge are added to the tickets, as you can see here. Setting it up is so easy and can only take a few minutes. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to support@knots.io.